when you have a dream, and the dream isn't something you dream and then it happens. The dream is something you never knew was going to come into your life. Dreams always come from behind you, not right between your eyes. It sneaks up on you. But when you have a dream, it doesn't often come at you screaming in your face, this is who you are. This is what you must be for the rest of your life. Sometimes a dream almost whispers. And I've always said to my kids, the hardest thing to listen to, your instincts, your human personal intuition, always whispers. It never shouts. Very hard to hear. So you have to, every day of your lives, be ready to hear what whispers in your ear. It very rarely shouts. And if you can listen to the whisper, and if it tickles your heart, and it's something you think you want to do for the rest of your life, then that is going to be what you do for the rest of your life, and we will benefit from everything you do.
When it comes to logistics and transportation, you need more than a dependable freight broker. You need someone who partners with you and provides top quality customer service when you need it most. At Fresh Start Freight, we believe in putting your needs first. As a smaller brokerage, we aren't bogged down with managing too many clients. Instead, we take time to make every interaction personal and fulfilling. As a result, we have the resources and flexibility to cater to your requirements and move the barriers to your transportation goals. As a BBB certified business and with $150,000 in general liability insurance, $50,000 more than our competitors, we are focused on looking out for you and your business. We can even offer additional coverage on per load basis to bring customizable solutions that work for you and your budget. With a nationwide team at your disposal, Fresh Start Freight wants to help take your transportation needs to new heights. Let us work 24/7 to find incredible pricing for your next load. Contact us today to get started.